Year 1, I'm just going to play you a quick video about our new topic in maths, so enjoy it, and yeah, this is what we're going to be learning about in maths, okay? Morning Year 1, today is Monday, it's a brand new week and it's time for maths. So let's start by switching on our maths brains. Are you ready? Fantastic. Okay, let's get you thinking. We're going to start, in fact before we do that, let's count in our tens. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What would come next? 110, 120, 130, 140. Fantastic, stop there. Let's see if we can start at 100 and count backwards to 0. Are we ready? So counting back in our tens, are we ready? 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Well done. Okay, for the next job, you need your green book or a piece of paper and a pencil, please, and Numicon if you've got Numicon would help. And let's see what we're going to do. So, we have got some numbers and we're doing some adding questions. We are going to be adding multiples of 10, so numbers that are in our 10 times table. So the first question, let's do the first one together. So I'd like you to write the question out in your book and tell me what the answer is. So what is this number? 30, isn't it? 30. Remember we say 30, not 13, 30. So how many tens are there in 30? 3. Have a look. 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. 3 tens. Now, it's 30, add 2 more tens because we're adding 20. What's 30, add 2 more tens? So we've got 30, count on 2 more tens, 30, 40, 50. So the first one is 50, all right? Okay, the next question is 10, add 20 more, so 2 more tens. Then we've got 60, add 30, so 6 tens, add 3 tens. And then the last one is 50, add just 1 10. So count in your tens, use your Numicon if it helps, off you go. Okay, let's see the answers. So these are the answers. 30 add 20 equals 50. Give it a tick if you got that one right. 10 add 20 is 30. 60 add 30 is 90. 60, 70, 80, 90. 3 more tens. And the last one, 50 add 1 more 10 is 60. Fantastic work, guys. Well done. Okay, whoops, wasn't meant to show you that. I'm going to give you a number, and in your books, I want you to write this number down. Okay, so I just want you to write the number down. You might have seen that already, sneaky peek. I would like you in your books or on a piece of paper to write down the number 32. Write down the number 32. Okay, are we ready? Let's see if you got it right. Think about how many tens there are. 30. How many tens are there? And how many ones? 32. Okay, let's see if you got that number right. If you got the number right, you can give it a tick. You ready? 32, a 3 and a 2. 3 tens and 2 ones left over. Okay, ready for the next number? I did it again, didn't I? The next number is 68. 68. How many tens? 60. How many tens? And how many ones? 68. So write that number down. Let's see if you're right. 68. Let's count our tens. Are we ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then we've got our number 8, 68. Okay, the next number, I'm not going to show you this time, is 46. So I would like you to write me down the number 46. Think about how many tens there are. 46. And how many ones there are. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. There we go. Let's count the tens together. 10, 20, 30, 40. 6 is a 4 and a 6. If you got it right, give it a tick. Well done. Okay, the next number is, I did it again, 53. 53. Write down that number for me. 53. How many tens are there in 50? 53. 3, 2, 1. Show me. Let's see if you got it right. There we go. A 5 and a 3. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And we've got 3. 53. Well done. Okay, the last number is, are you ready? 99. Can you write me the number 99? Think about how many tens, how many ones. 99. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. It looks like this. So let's count our tens. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then we've got 9 as well. 99 is a 9 and a 9. Well done, year 1. Super work. Okay, let's start our new topic today. So, today we are going to be thinking about fractions. All right, that's our new topic, and we're also going to be thinking about pizza, which is always nice, isn't it? So this one might make your bellies rumble. So let's start today by looking at this pizza. Now, I've got a pizza, looks delicious, but my friend has come for lunch. Now, what should I do with my pizza? Because my friend wants some of the pizza too. So how am I going to make it fair, year 1? What do I need to do with this pizza? I need to cut it in half. I need to cut it. I need to slice it down the middle to make sure that I've got 2 parts. One for me and one for my friend. Now I need to make sure those parts are equal as well, that we both have the same amount, because it wouldn't be fair if I got more than my friend. So let's see if I can cut it in half. So there we go, the pizza is cut in 2 halves. 1 half for me and 1 half for my friend. 2 equal parts. They're exactly the same, aren't they? The same size. Okay, brilliant. Let's have a look what's next. So this time I've got, not right now, but I wish I did, 3 friends coming for lunch. We can't have our friends around for lunch, can we? So we've just got to pretend. But we've got 3 friends, myself included. So there's me and 3 more friends. There's 4 of us. And we want some pizza. What am I going to do? Now I need to make sure there's how many pieces? 4 pieces, and they all need to be equal. So I need to cut the pizza into 4. I need to cut the pizza into quarters. Can you say that? Quarters. So let's see what I do. So there we go. I've cut it in half, and then I've cut it in half again. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, 4 quarters for me and my 3 friends to eat. So when we cut something into quarters, there's 4 parts, okay? And when we cut something in half, there's 2 parts. Look, there's 1 half. Okay, this time, there's 3 quarters. Can you see? So, whoops, gone back again. This time we've got 3 quarters left of the pizza. I've got 3. Somebody must have had 1 quarter to eat, and now I've only got 3 quarters left. Fantastic. Let's see what's next. 2 quarters. Let's see 2 quarters of the pizza. So it's a half, isn't it? 2 quarters is the same as a half of a pizza. 1 quarter, 2 quarters. And then 1 quarter is a piece like that. So there was 4 pieces, but this is just 1 quarter. Fantastic, well done. So 2 quarters is the same as 1 half, like we just said there, look. So we're thinking about halving year 1, splitting something in half, making sure there's 2 equal parts, and we're also thinking about quarters, okay? Splitting something into quarters. Now, before I tell you what your task is today, I know that in your pack you got a pot of Play-Doh, which I kindly asked Mrs. Booth if we could get you. So I hope you've got your Play-Doh, because it really helps when we're doing halving and quartering and our fractions. So what I want you to do now is pause the video. I would like you to make a cake. All right, now you can make a flat shape, a circle if you want, or you could make a cake with some candles on. But I want you to cut your cake in half so that there are 2 equal parts, and make sure that it's fair and they are equal. All right, so 2 equal parts. Make your cake with your Play-Doh. You can put some candles on it if you like, and then cut it in half. And if you want to take a photo of it to send to our email, that would be great. So pause the video, off you go. Fantastic, guys. So you should have cut your cake in half. What I want you to do now is cut your cake into quarters. Now, how many parts should you have if it's cut into quarters? You should have, let me show you one here, 4 parts of your cake. So I want you to cut your cake into quarters to make sure there's 4 parts. So pause the video and do that for me now. Off you go. Brilliant, guys. Good work. Can't wait to see those photos. Okay, let's have a look at your task for today. So I would like you to make a sandwich, okay? So for this task you will need some bread, maybe some butter, and also some sort of filling. So you might choose to make a jam sandwich, you might choose to make a ham sandwich or a cheese sandwich or a tuna sandwich, all right? So you need to ask your grown-ups to help you with this one. So once you've made your sandwich, I want you to cut your sandwich in half. That means that there will be 2 equal parts. Now you might decide to cut your sandwich in half this way. You might cut it down to make 2 triangles, all right? Or you might cut your sandwich in half that way, okay, to make 2 rectangles, as long as there are 2 equal parts, all right? Once you've cut your sandwich in half, guess what I'm going to ask you to do next? Cut it into quarters. So again, you might have 4 squares, all right, or you might have 4 triangles. It's just up to you the way you cut it, but make sure that they are equal parts, okay? Again, take photos of it so we can see. I can't wait to have a look at your pictures, and also enjoy your sandwich. It's making me hungry now. I think I'm going to go and make my own sandwich and cut it into nothing, because I want to eat it all to myself. That's not kind. Maybe I'll half it and share it with Miss Holloway. That would be kind. Have a lovely day, guys, and see you tomorrow. Bye.